Imagine your smartphone in your pocket, the car you drive, and even the device you are currently watching this video on suddenly going dark. This is not a science fiction scenario. This is the price of an ordinary afternoon that could be experienced in the 180 most dangerous and expensive kilometers in the world. This is the Taiwan Strait. This corridor, which appears as just a thin waterway on the map, is actually the very knife-edge balance between the brain death of modern civilization and global prosperity. When the calendars show the date of the 6th of April 2026, emergency signals coming from Washington and the massive shadows appearing in the waters of the strait will remind us of one thing very clearly. No matter how digital the world becomes, everything is still umbilical cord bound to the fragile security offered by these narrow waters. Although Taiwan is smaller even than Switzerland, it is the engine of modern life by producing more than 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductors. This situation turns the waters surrounding the island into an invisible and impenetrable fortress called the Silicon Shield, where engineering and geopolitics are intertwined. If even a single cargo ship stops in this 180-kilometer corridor today, or if one of the fiber optic cables under the sea is damaged, this is not just a logistical disruption. It means the collapse of artificial intelligence systems and the return of global industry to its speed of 100,000 years ago. Even though the waters of the strait are a deep navy blue, the reality lying just beneath the surface is much harsher and more metallic. Here, approximately 21% of the world's container traffic moves every day under the absolute surveillance of coastal batteries and invisible sonar systems. So, why don't massive supertankers and aircraft carriers choose the safer eastern route to create breathing room for themselves instead of passing through this narrow strait? The answer lies in the tense balance created by the inevitable physical proximity to mainland China and the logistical speed offered by the strait, in contrast to the massive cliffs and deep ocean trenches on the eastern shores of Taiwan. When a modern supertanker sits 25 meters deep in the water, the margin for error drops to zero. Captains are forced to navigate their massive steel giants in this narrow and crowded room, knowing that thousands of missiles from both sides are locked onto them. Our special character, whom we often see in these scenes, looking out at the fog of the strait from a neon-lit control room in Taipei, is actually watching not just the sea, but that thin glass thread holding the world together. While the massive port cities of China rise on the opposite shore of the strait, a micro-world is being built on the Taiwan side, in the ultra-sterile rooms of TSMC factories, where circuits thousands of times thinner than a human hair are produced, and not even a single speck of dust is allowed to enter. These factories are not just commercial facilities. They are modern temples that the world's greatest powers are afraid to touch, knowing that if they do, the entire system will collapse. However, this strategic depth has a price. Remember the Suez Canal crisis in 2021. A single ship stopped the world. But here, in the Taiwan Strait, the margins are much thinner. A mechanical failure or a wrong radio signal could darken all the digital lights of the world. As our character checks the data coming from the tablet in his hand, he analyzes that chaotic but controlled rhythm created by the patrol boats zigzagging rapidly on the surface of the sea. Stretched across the bottom of the sea, completely unaware of the military activity on the surface, Massive internet cables provide the flow of trillions of dollars per second for global finance. These cables are the digital carotid arteries of the world. If one of these cables breaks, cloud storage systems collapse, and the data of billions of people remains suspended in a void. This silent infrastructure beneath the strait is as critical as the barrels of the frigates above. The water is filled with such intense military and commercial traffic that a captain once described it as walking on a tightrope in the most crowded and stressful corridor in the world. Every voice echoing on every radio, every blinking dot on every radar screen is the harbinger of a potential provocation or a trade worth billions of dollars. As you move toward the interior of Taiwan, you see silent temples and ancient tea fields left in the shadow of modern chip factories. This is that unique contrast between the dizzying speed of technology and the unshakable serenity of tradition. Just like those humble millionaires in Norway, imperial legacy of Iran, Taiwan draws the portrait of a society that is aware of its own fragility, while making the world dependent on itself. For the people of the island, this tension has become a part of daily life. Families gathering for dinner continue their lives despite the sound of surveillance drones overhead, because they know very well is not just a trade route, but an art of balance. On the night of 2026, the fate of the 100,000 containers waiting in the ports will be determined not just by the decisions of political leaders, but by the continuity of the geopolitical patience offered by this waterway. Insurance companies have raised prices so high for ships wishing to pass through these waters that the cost of a journey sometimes exceeds the value of the cargo being carried. This is the most concrete proof showing how dependent the global economy is on this energy and technology line. The coming together of a massive aircraft carrier and a small fishing boat in the middle of the strait is the most powerful frame summarizing the soul of this place. One represents absolute power. The other represents thousands of years of tradition and local life. Both move forward in the same narrow waterway, without touching each other, but feeling each other's presence at every moment. Ultimately, the Taiwan Strait is not just a waterway, it is that most expensive, most tense, and most vital meeting point between humanity's technological ambition and the inevitable constraints of geography. The big lesson we will understand when the lights go out and the screens darken is this: no matter how digital the world becomes, everything still remains umbilical cord bound to the silicon miracle provided by these narrow waters and that small island. As our character looks at the strait for one last time from the top of the Taipei 101 building, those neon lights reflecting on the waters whisper this to us. This 180 kilometers of restlessness might actually be the world's largest and most costly peace project. However, this project continues to be tested every day, every hour, and every minute, every time with a single ship and a single chip. Last thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.